This is why you need a zero-waste meal plan. Delicious, sustainable and super easy. Good morning, eco-warriors. Start your day with a nutrient-packed fruit smoothie. Just blend a banana, an apple, a handful of berries, spinach and a cup of oat milk until smooth. Sip and enjoy a healthy, waste-free breakfast. For lunch, let's whip up a frittata. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Beat 4 eggs, mix in those leftover roasted veggies and pour the mixture into a greased baking dish. Bake for 20 minutes until set. Serve with carrot top pesto for that extra green touch. Yummy and zero waste. Dinner time means potato and kale hash. Dice and parboil 4 potatoes for 10 minutes. Sauté an onion and kale in olive oil, then add the potatoes and cook until crispy. A hearty meal to end your day sustainably? There you have it. Delicious, zero-waste meals that are good for you and the planet. See you tomorrow for more eco-friendly recipes. Don't forget to check out our other videos, like turn on notifications and subscribe. It really helps the channel and is greatly appreciated.